Stewie, what happened to your head? Oh, you're not Stewie. I gotta get you back to the park and find... All right, kid, your name is Stewie, all right? I'm your new dad. My name is Peter, and I work at the brewer... NASA. I work at NASA. Hey, Lois, you look fat. You should go for a run.
Peter, I'm gonna go give my baby a kiss goodnight.
See, there's a human baby in there, asleep in Stewie's overalls.
Peter, please get out of my way.
Ah! Great, we woke up the doorbell.
I think there was a mix-up at the park.
My little Stewie.
Oh, Jacob! Where's your little hat?
He didn't have a hat.